Okay, coming into question number 1 in classwork 4. I hope that you did the previous video, which is classwork 4, problem 1, part A. This is part B. Okay, so what can I do to draw this question? Okay, which one is the easiest plane to draw this model? Is it the front, or is it the right, or is it on the top? Obviously the right will be easy to me. Okay, I need just to draw this rectangle, to draw these circles, okay, to draw this line, and to draw this arc, and to draw this line. So it's easy to me to draw this question from the right. Okay, so new. Okay, I'm gonna make my origin point from this in this edge. Okay, so not top, not the front, not the top, the right, normal to the sketch. I'm gonna draw corner rectangle. From this point I'm gonna go right. Okay, and small dimension, the length of this rectangle is 140. Check. And the length of this line, I don't have it here, I don't have it here, but I have it here. Okay, which is 18. So this line is 18. 18. Check. Okay, 18. Okay, now I'm going to draw these two circles. So this circle, the first one, I'll put it here, so anywhere here. Circle number 1, then circle number 2, escape, then, or before that, I'm gonna draw these two circles. Circle number 1, circle number 2, then I'm gonna make these circles fully defined. Okay, what is the dimension of the smallest one? The smallest circle. The smallest circle is 18, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, it's 18. So this circle is 18. Okay, the outside circle, I don't have it here, but I can see 45 on this arc, which is this arc also. So this is 40. So this circle is 40. Okay, so sometimes you cannot see this the phi of this circle from the front. If you go back, you will see a dimension with phi, which has the same diameter. Okay, now in order to make this circle fully defined, I have to make position of this center. So smart dimension from this point up to this surface. From this point up to this surface. What is the dimension here? The dimension here is, as you can see, 38. So this is 38. Check. Okay. And as you can see, this circle, the outside circle, is tangent with this line. So I'm gonna draw a line, very long line, but vertical. It has to be vertical. Okay, and I'm gonna make a relationship between this outside circle and this line. What is the relation here? The relation here is tangent. Check. Then I'm gonna make a cut. Okay, choose trim to closest. Click on this extra line that I don't need. So as you can see, this circle now is fully defined with by making a relation. This line and this circle are the relation here is tangent. Okay. Going to this circle, the inside circle is 30. As you can see, there is an arrow on this circle. The phi is 30, so 30 here. Check. The outside circle, I don't have it in the front, I have it here in the back. So this circle is 56. Now this is 5, 6. check. Okay, in order to make this center, these circles fully defined, I have to make it the position in y-axis. So the y-axis here is, as you can see, from the center up to this surface is 100. So this is 100, 100, check. And also we have in the x-axis 50 from this edge to the center here, as you can see. So this is the dimension between the center of this circle and this edge. The dimension here is 50. So 50, check. Okay, now my circles are fully defined because I made this center 100 in the y-axis and 50 okay, in this axis. Okay, now I have to draw this line, and I suppose this line would be a tangent. So click here, I will click on this point, and I am gonna draw a very long line, and I will make a relationship between this line and this outside circle. What is the relation here? The relation here is tangent. Check. Then click on the trim and click this extra line that I don't need. Okay. So I have this line here vertical, and this line is not vertical, slanted. Okay. Now I have a 3-point arc here. So 3-point arc. Okay, I can see that. Click here on this quarter and place on this outside circle. Then I'm gonna click here on this quarter, okay, or this circle. Then the arc will be inside or outside. It's inside. Click, then escape. I'm gonna make a relationship between this circle and this arc, and the relationship here is tangent. Check. This circle and this arc, the relationship again is tangent. Check. Now the radius of this arc, what is the radius of this arc? The radius here is 50, so 50, check. Okay, now you can see that our drawing is fully defined. Now feature, extrude. Okay, as you can see, we have, how many contours do we have here? We have this contour number 1. Contour means a closed shape, closed. Okay, and there is no, so this is a closed shape. This quarter is a contour. This area, which is closed, as you can see, is a contour. This area is a contour, and this area is contour. How many contours? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 contours. Each of these contours has an extrude. So if you click on this rectangle, so what is the length of this extrude? Okay, as you can see that this extrude is 85. So 50, 60, 70, 80. I'll make it 85. Then check. Okay, now if you click anywhere here, our drawing is going will be hidden. So how can I make an extrude? What happened here? Don't panic, very easy. As we said before, go to the last extrude, click on the arrow, then click on the sketch, then go to extrude, then go back to the drawing. So I'll make this contour. So what is the contour, the extrude of this contour? I don't have it here, but I have it here. Okay, so this this thickness is the same of this thickness. So what is the thickness here? The thickness is 12. So I'll make it 1, 2, 12. Check. Check again. So he made a thickness of this contour with thickness of 12 millimeters. Now, what should I do to go again and make an extrude of this area? The same thing. Go to the last extrude. Click on the arrow. Click on the sketch. Click on extrude. Then choose the contour. This is the contour that I want to make an extrude. So what is the thickness of this cylinder? It is 42. He said that the extrude is 24, so I'll make it 2, 4, then check. Okay. Now go back again to the last extrude, the last contour. So click on the last extrude, click on the arrow, click on the sketch, click on the extrude, and choose the extrude, the contour that I want. Okay, the extrude. Now, as you can see, if I click on this contour, okay, now what is the distance of the extrude of this cylinder? He said that the thickness is 36, but wait a minute, just I want to focus a little bit on this. Okay, the extrude is 36, but as you can see that the extrude is not in the front but also in the back. So the extrude is not from the back side to the front. No, we have an extrude to the front and we have an extra extrude to the back, as you can see here. Okay, so he gives me the 36 extrude. Okay, and the thickness here in the middle is 12. So 36 divided by 12. So it will give me 12. So 12 here, then 12 here, and 12 in the back. So from the back, I'm gonna give a 12 plus 12, which is 24. Okay, so this is from in the front. In the back, which is I'm gonna click on direction 2. I'm gonna give an extrude in the back by 12, 1, 2, 12 millimeters. So from the back, I'm going to 24, 12 plus 12, which is 24. From the back, direction 2, which is direction 2, I'm gonna give it just 12 millimeters. So 36 sorry. Okay. So 36 divided by 3, it will be 12. So 12 here and 12 here, and in the back 12. Okay. So from the front 24, direction 2, in the back, I'm gonna just give it 12. Check. So we have 12 plus 12, 24, in the back 12. Okay. Okay, now make an isometric. What do we have here also? We have this extrude cut, which is a rectangle, very simple. Go to the surface, then normal to sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna choose center rectangle. Why? Because I just need to click on this midpoint. Click. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Okay, what is the length of this rectangle? As you can see, it's 44. So this is 4, check. And what is the length between this line and this point? He gives that to me, which is 5 millimeters. So from here 5, and this is 44. Now I'm gonna make feature extrude cut. And always when we don't have the extrude cut, what is the depth? So we'll choose it always through all, the cut will be through all. Okay, check. Extrude cut through all, and this is okay, the extrude cut. Now we have this extrude cut and this extrude cut. I'm gonna choose this circle, normal 2, sketch. I'm gonna draw on this sketch 2 circles. So this is circle number 1. I'm gonna go down, circle number 2, escape, smart dimension. This circle is, as you can see, it's 2, 5, 16, which means we have 2 circles. Each of these circles have the same diameter, which is 16 millimeters. So I'm gonna give this 12 millimeters. Okay, and also smart dimension on this circle also 16 millimeters. Okay, 16 millimeters for both circles. Okay, now I have to make it fully defined. I have to give the dimension in x-axis. The x-axis here is 35, and the y-axis, smart dimension, the y-axis from here up to here, the y-axis is 50, 50, check. Okay, 50, no, I'm sorry, that's not 50, it's 30, sorry. So click again on this 50, 30, check. Okay, the same thing here, from here to this edge, 30, check. And from this center to this edge, the length is 35, the same thing, check. Now, after drawing these 2 circles and making them fully defined, feature, extrude cut through all, the cut will be through all, check. Now this is our model. I have to make it isometric. Okay, this is the question number 1. I hope it's easy for you. Please do it, okay, yourself, and we're going to question number 2 in the next video. Thank you very much.